How to create picture-in-picture effect in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive and load your project or create a new one. Next, import the videos or images you want to use for the picture-in-picture effect into your project bin. Then, drag your main video clip to the first video track on the timeline. After that, drag the second video or image that you want to show as the smaller picture into the track above the main clip. Now, select a smaller clip on the timeline. Go to the Effects panel and search for the Transform effect. Apply the Transform effect to the smaller clip. In the Effect control, use the Scale option to resize the smaller clip to the size you want for the picture-in-picture. Use the Position controls to move the smaller clip to your desired corner or spot at the screen. You can preview the position and size in the preview window and adjust it until it looks perfect. Finally, when you are happy with the positioning, play back your timeline to check the picture-in-picture effect. And that's it. Now you know how to create picture-in-picture effect in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.